Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Richard's Primary from St. Andrew up against Ascot Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host Javon Keys and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and St. Richard's Primary won and decided to send Ascot Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Ascot Primary. Bible knowledge: at which tower was the language of nations confused as recorded in the book of Genesis?
At which tower was the language of nations confused as recorded in the book of Genesis?
Tower of Babel.
Tower of Babel. Tower of Babel.
Correct. Bible knowledge: St. Richard's, how many persons were saved in Noah's Ark before the Great Flood?
8.
8 is correct. Local affairs, a visual question. Ascot, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Natalie Nata. Natalie Nata. Natalie Nata.
Incorrect. Tova Hamilton, Member of Parliament. Local affairs, a visual question for you, also St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
George Wright.
George Wright.
Incorrect. James Robertson, Member of Parliament. Science. Ascot, what are the tiny pores in the bottom of the leaves which allow air to pass through called?
What are the tiny pores in the bottom of the leaf called?
Stomata.
Stomata. Stomata.
Correct. Science. St. Richard's, through which specific part of a plant's root does absorption of water and minerals take place?
The heaters.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Ascot, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Cyborg. Cyborg. Cyborg.
Incorrect. Electro from Spider-Man. Television, a visual question. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
The Green Goblin. The Green Goblin.
Incorrect. Dr. Doom, also from Spider-Man. Ascot, English language, complete the proverb. The eyes are the window of the...
The eyes are the window of the complete the proverb.
Beholder.
Beholder. Beholder.
Incorrect. Of the soul, English language, St. Richard's, complete the proverb. Brevity is the soul of...
The wit.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricket captain.
Daniel Craig. Daniel Craig. Daniel Craig.
Incorrect. Brian Lara. Sports, a visual question. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies fast bowler.
Garfield Sobers.
Incorrect. Patrick Patterson. General knowledge. Ascot, in which country is the Great Pyramid of Giza found?
In which country is the Great Pyramids of Giza found? Egypt. Egypt. Egypt.
Correct. General knowledge. St. Richard's, Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in which country?
Japan.
Correct. Social studies. Ascot, in which year did Dominica achieve its independence?
In which year did Dominica achieve its independence? 1942. 1942. 1942.
Incorrect. 1978. St. Richard's, social studies. In which year did the Bahamas achieve its independence?
1973. 1973.
That's right. Ascot music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican singer with the birth name Michaela Simpson?
Stage name of Michaela Simpson. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Correct. Music. St. Richard's. What is the stage name of the Jamaican singer with the birth name Moses Anthony Davis?
Beanie Man. Beanie Man.
Correct. Mathematics. Ascot. What is the value of 9.8887 multiplied by 10,000?
98870. Time 98870.
Correct. Mathematics. St. Richard's. What is the value of 0.7654 multiplied by 100,000?
76,540.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs. Ascot. Complete the Jamaican proverb. I know every kin teeth.
And every kin teeth complete the Jamaican proverb. A laugh,
A laugh. A laugh.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs St. Richard's complete the Jamaican proverb. Deaf ears gi.
Lion
Trouble. Lion trouble.
Correct. Science. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 8 and Ascot Primary on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. If you lose focus easily, keep all distractions out of sight and out of mind. This may involve placing your gaming console in a drawer, putting pets in another room, and temporarily shutting off the TV and notifications for social media apps. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.